Today I filed my nomination at 12 o'clock sharp as per my mood. And everything went off smoothly. Everything will fall in its place.
But the person who is leading company Ponjekar is not full with you.
He's gone to his school day. Today is Friday, he's gone to his school day.
सुरेंद्र बाब तुमका दिसला की तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी बराबर येऊन बरोवपाक घालले ना.
We have a strategy.
हितूनय स्ट्रॅटेजी हा.
Yes.
4 जाण आयज फाल्यां 4 जाण फाल्यां 4 जाण.
Yes.
Sir, you find it on Ami Ponjekar.
And what else I find? In the form you can't find Ami Ponjekar. In the form you have to find as an individual.
ना पण तुवें फॉर्म भरला पण इंडिव्हिज्युअल फाटल्यानय तुझ्या खूप पणजेकार दिसता जे तुझे फ्रेंड आहा पळय. व्हॉट यू हॅव टू से?
They all have supported the Panjim, no?
So you have asked
Slowly and gradually, like our Dandi March by Mahatma Gandhi, there were few people, then thousands and crores people. That it will happen here also.
Sir, which ward are you?
I am contesting ward number 9, which was held by my wife Ruth Furtado. My ward number 6, which I won, was turned into OBC. I wanted to put my wife in ward number 8. It has turned to women OBC. So I had no option but go in ward number 9. And my son Leonid is going in ward number 7, which was last time reserved for OBC in general. It doesn't matter whether it's OBC or general anything. I can contest in any 30 ward. I have contested Panjim twice. So there's nobody who doesn't know Surendra Prasad.
Babush म्हणता की 30 attended. So is it so easy to defeat?
I think that day I said no, every day is not a Sunday.
Okay.
I wish my friend Babush Munsarat, who's my friend for the last 40 years, all the very best. Everybody should have a dream.
No, पण फ्रेंडूय म्हणता तुम्ही असे करू की ना म्हणता तसे करू
No,
किती.
that's okay. Friends aside, politics is aside. Now you all journalism, well, we have differences. Because you'll want to come in the front and take the click first before the other takes. Is like that?
असं तो आहे तुमचे डिफरन्सेस.
Sang.
Sir, every day is not Sunday. मतलब not possible म्हणतात.
No, you should understand what I have said. Every day is not a Sunday. Don't put words in my mouth.
So but you have to explain it to us in a better way, no?
No, it's okay. You, as long as you understand, is more than sufficient.
Surendra Babu, what do you feel like people should vote for your candidate?
Because people of Panjim have suffered, no? Now it's up to the people of Panjim whether they should be Panjikar or somewhere else.
सुरेंद्र बाबा उदयान एक स्टेटमेंट केलेलो आसा आता 90% of work under smart city has been completed and it has been done good. What is your
If he has said, I don't want to comment on anything. Let the people of Panjim
no, but you
comment.
agree on that?
Let the people of Panjim comment on
But
that.
you agree
I said, let the people of Panjim comment.
but what is your personal view on that?
That personal view I will tell you when I am on the field.
So that time also you have to
So when I am on the field, when we start the election campaign, I will tell you what it is. You are not going anywhere. You will be with us.
Okay, Radhavir Babu, you have also filed a nomination form. So you are also in the free for election this time.
Pardon?
You have also filed a nomination form. Come.
No, he's not filed. My son will be filing on 23rd. On 23rd.
No, he has not filed it yet.
तुझ्या वॉर्डन किती कामं पेंडिंग तुझ्या वॉर्डन कितले कामं पेंडिंग होते.
पळय सोडून फुटता तो इज वर्क कॉल्कुलेट. माझे कितें करपाचें तें केलें. म्हाका ऑलमोस्ट 8 म्हयने खूब सफर केलो. आमकां वर्कर दिवंक ना, ट्री कटर दिवंक ना, स्काय लिफ्ट दिवंक ना, वीट कटर दिवंक ना. आनी हे सगळे हांवें हाडलेले. वेन आय वॉज द मेयर सांगता. पूण आय कांट लेट माय पीपल डावन. हांवें म्हाजे स्वताचे पयशे घालून सगळे कामां करून घेतल्या. Money is not important. I don't want to blame anybody. The God will judge. They are with us. No? And you all also with us from inside.
Surendra Babu, your panel saying there should be no family run. Right now you are contesting, your wife is contesting.
No, my wife is not contesting. Sorry. You withdraw your word. My son is contesting. I am maintaining both the seats.
But still
No, I am maintaining both my seats. People have decided that we are good workers for them. My wife has been elected 5 times. I have been elected 7 times.
Sir, but good to hear that you all are good workers. Who are the bad workers?
I don't know. You have to tell.
बाबूसाच्या उलयता की फॅमिली तुमच्या उलयता
आमचे कितें जाता. हांव हांगा आय हॅव बीन रायट फ्रॉम 1985. My wife has been from 2002. Correct?
So what has changed from 1985 till now?
किती झाले?
Benzin city. In Benzin, what has changed?
अरे बाबा, my friend Kenzil, wait. Very soon he'll come to know from the people only, no? कितना विषय गड़बड़ करता?
Thank you.
Thank you. I love you all.
Okay.
Thank you.